Get ready to unleash your inner gamer. The ANBERNIC RG556 handheld console is here, packing a stunning 5.48-inch AMOLED screen, blazing fast performance with the Unisoc T820 processor, and Android 13 for endless gaming possibilities. Play your favorite PSP and PS2 classics, plus thousands of Android games, but hurry, this limited edition console won't last long. Grab yours now before they're all gone. Unleash the power of retro gaming.
You can shake it.